Let's talk about small balconies. Even if you've only got a few square feet, you can still turn that space into something cozy, stylish, and super functional. Here are 21 space-saving small balcony ideas to help you make the most of it. Let's get started. 1. Foldable bistro set. A classic for a reason. Fold it up when you're done, and boom, extra floor space again. Next is folding railing table. This little table hooks onto your railing and folds down when not in use. Perfect for coffee or your laptop. Third is slimline love seat. Want lounge vibes? Go for a slimline love seat. It gives you that comfy, cozy feel without hogging the whole balcony. Moving on, corner bench with storage. This one's a game changer. You get seating and a place to stash pillows, tools, or anything else you want out of sight. I added link in blog post so you can find detailed guide how to do it yourself. Next is the multi-purpose ladder shelf. It's tall, narrow, and super handy for displaying plants or decor without using up floor space. Number 6, beanbag chairs. For that laid-back lounging vibe, they're comfy, lightweight, and easy to move around. At number 7, a pallet sofa. Stack a few pallets, add some cushions, and boom. You've got a rustic, budget-friendly seating setup. 8th, a vertical garden wall. Perfect for growing herbs, flowers, or succulents when you're short on square footage. 9th, artificial greenery panels. They're low maintenance, look great, and add a bit of privacy too. 10th, the retractable awning. Need shade? Pull it out. Want sun? Roll it back. It's that easy. Coming in at 11, outdoor blinds. They're great for blocking wind, softening sunlight, and adding privacy, especially if you go for natural textures like bamboo. 12th, fairy lights or string lights. Drape them along your railing or ceiling for that magical glow after sunset. 13th, lanterns with candles. Whether you go with real candles or battery-operated ones, they give off a warm, flickering vibe that feels super cozy. 14th, the tabletop fire pit. Compact but cozy. It adds warmth and ambience without taking over the space. 15th, rattan chairs. Stylish, durable, and lightweight. Rattan is always a good idea on a balcony. Next, a wall-mounted table. It folds out when you need it and disappears when you don't. Great for ultra-small balconies. 17th, the outdoor ottomans. Use it as a footrest, seat, or even a sneaky storage space. Total multitasker. 18th, railing planter boxes. Add greenery without losing floor space. Great for herbs or colorful flowers. 19th, balcony artificial grass. Lay it down and you've got instant backyard vibes, soft underfoot, and no maintenance needed. 20th, a seating bench with storage. Hidden compartments mean more room to keep your balcony neat and clutter-free. And finally, number 21, a console table. It's slim and stylish. Use it for decor, drinks, or even a mini plant display. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.